Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Home is where the heart is. Modern, newly built, 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, family home. Situated in Merrivale, Meadows with adequate room for expansion and 8,145 square feet of lot. The house can be easily converted into an income earner property. An upper level may be added, which will allow you to preserve and retain green space, have a beautiful landscaped yard, and maintain a vegetable garden. The property is within close proximity to commercial facilities and schools and approximately 50 minutes from Kingston. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 24 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.